guys, thanks for checking out the channel, watching a video. Today we are doing from the box. Today's victim, Jiffy biscuit mix, or it's actually Jiffy all-purpose baking mix because it's a world beyond biscuits. All over the box, bunches of recipes: shortcakes, pancakes, dumplings, banana nut bread, chicken casserole with broccoli. Our victim right here, cinnamon rolls. Sounds interesting. It's got cream cheese in it, and you drizzle corn syrup, which I've never heard of before, but we're going to give that a try. Guys, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you as one of our subscribers. We're trying to grow our channel. Let's give this recipe a try. What I want to do is make my cinnamon sugar. This is 1/3 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now this is straight from the recipe. Mix this together. That's going to be our filling. Set that aside. Okay, the ingredients say we're going to take 2 cups of Jiffy biscuit mix. We're going to add 1/3 cup of soft cream cheese. Put that in. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add that in and said mix this till it's crumbly. I'm just going to squish it together, I guess. I'm going to use my hands. All right, that looks pretty crumbly to me. To that, the recipe, 1/2 cup of milk, and stir this to make a dough. Okay, it says to turn this out on a kneaded a floured surface. So we're going to flour our surface. It's a really sticky dough. So let's see. That's good. Put a little flour on top too. It said to knead it a few times. We will do that. Okay. So now it says to roll it out to a 15 by 8 inch rectangle, which we will do. Always use a ruler. I think it makes it a lot easier. So that's 8 inches. So you're making it really thin. Well, that didn't work. So I guess we have to use a lot of flour. Man, that's going to be thin. Okay, we're going to say that's 15 by 18. Okay. It's really delicate, too. So we have 4 tablespoons of melted butter, or soft butter. Let's scrape all that off. You're going to spread that on top of the dough. Hope it's soft enough. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Oh, dadgum. And the dough is like ridiculously soft. Jeez, y'all. You can't barely spread this stuff without it ripping the dough. Yeah, I almost think we should have melted the butter and then brushed it on. But that's not what the directions said. Okay, we're going to call that spread. Because it is not going to go anywhere else. The minute you put any pressure on that dough, maybe the butter has to be really soft, super soft. Okay, so now we're going to take our cinnamon sugar that we made and sprinkle that on the top. So far, it's pretty straightforward. A lot of cinnamon sugar. Okay. So now the next thing we're going to add is 1/4 of a cup of corn syrup. This is the light corn syrup. I've never done this before. I put it in the cup I had milk in. That's what the white is. Pour some of that off. So we're going to drizzle that over the top of the cinnamon and sugar. Okay, let's go back. So now it says roll up and slice. It doesn't say to go this way or this way, but we're gonna make 12 rolls, so we wanna roll this way, I think. Let me use my bench roller because I knew that's gonna be stuck. God Lord. Okay, this is really hard to roll. You pretty much have to have a scraper to do this, because it is not going to roll if you don't. This way. Okay. Hoping that it's completely unstuck now. And it is. So we're gonna kind of squish it. Yo, this is messy looking. All right. So we have a greased 8x8 pan. So we're gonna get 12 of these. So it'll be 3 rows of 4. So we're gonna cut it in half, 6 and 6, 3 and 3. I could cut off 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, come on. I think I did that backwards. Let's come off. All right, so we're gonna take these. I guess I'll just do it like that. 2, 3, 4, 1. Good Lord, it's sticky. 2, 3, 4. All right, guys. We'll use that. We'll do something like that. This is after 15 minutes. Let's put that in and let that cook for a few more minutes. Say 3 more minutes. All right, guys, there we go. That added a few more minutes. Still kind of looks the same. Let's scoop one out and see what it tastes like. Very, very delicate. There you go. That's what it looks like. All right, guys, let's give it a try. Let me smell. It smells like cinnamon rolls. It smells like biscuits more, which I guess it kind of is. The texture is not like a traditional cinnamon roll. It's like a biscuit. Tastes like a biscuit with brown sugar and cinnamon. It's good. It's worth making. Don't know if I go with all the work of rolling it out. You could totally take it and put cinnamon sugar on the top and do it that route. Anyway, guys, this is the Jiffy Baking Mix. Mike just walked in. The Jiffy Baking Mix cinnamon rolls with cream cheese. Quick side note. The recipe does not call for a glaze. However, on the box, it does say you can add a glaze. So if you want to put a cream cheese glaze on it, I think it would bump up the sugariness and the sweetness of it. Also, warning, that sugar on the bottom of the cinnamon roll gets kind of hard. It's how you're going to rip out a filling, I'm telling you. So be careful with that. You guys have a good week. Don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, please give me a review. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down or whatever you want to give it. And don't forget to put your questions or comments. You guys have a safe week.